Hello everyone, and welcome to another video presentation courtesy of the University of North Texas Physics Department. My name is Corey Nook, and I'll be assisting with today's demo. So today's demo is what we like to call a bell jar, or we have a alarm inside a jar. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how does sound produce, and what happens when you have sound in a vacuum. So sound is produced just by the vibration of molecules in the air, and that vibration causing your eardrums to hear those different sounds. And that is how sounds are able to actually travel. That way I can talk to you and you can hear what I'm saying. But if we were to remove all of the air, there would be no medium for which my vibration of my vocal cords could pass through the air and you could hear it through your ears. So if we have no medium to transport that vibration of sound, then we shouldn't be able to hear anything. So what I have in front of me is I just have a simple jar that has a bell inside of it that I can actually create sound with. I have two banana cords that are connected to this low voltage power supply. And I just have a vacuum pump, which is connected by a hose to the bottom of this jar. And this jar has a rubber seal around it. That way I can create a decent vacuum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first turn this on, and I'm going to turn this up till you hear that the bell is ringing. Okay, we know that this bell is working and we should be able to hear it. Now I'm going to turn on this vacuum pump, and after some time we should stop hearing the bell. I know it's a little hard to hear over a vacuum pump, but I no longer hear the bell anymore. Let's see if I can turn off the pump and see how the noise is a lot quieter. That's because we've removed a lot of the air that's inside there. Let's see if I can turn it on and see if I can get it more quiet. And now we can almost not even hear the bell at all. And so that just shows us that without the medium of the air molecules, we can't hear the sound that's being produced by this object. So now what I'm going to do, this is still powered on. The only thing that's preventing from air getting in is this hose. So I'm now going to disconnect it slightly. I'm going to see if I can do this slowly. And now we hear the bell again. So now air got back into the bell and is allowed to transport the vibration from the bell to the actual air, and we can hear it. Well, thank you for watching this short video presentation, and have a wonderful day.